You ever feel drained after a session or stuck in a low vibrational funk? This 5-minute energy reset is going to be your new tool. Now, this works for you and your clients. So, if you're an energy healer, a coach, a therapist, you can use this for yourself and your clients. No tools are required. So, as healers, we absorb energy from clients, from our environment, and even our own thoughts. Without clearing that energy out on a regular basis, we're burning out. We're burning at both ends. So, this technique is going to help you to clear stagnant energy, raise your vibration, and restore your flow fast. It's simple, it's effective, and anyone can do this, even if they're not energy sensitive. So, right now, what I'd like for you to do is just do this with me so you can really learn how to do this. So, put your feet flat on the ground, back, spine straight, and you can do this sitting in a chair. You can also stand up straight, but no back support. So sit halfway up a chair, feet flat on the ground, and begin to visualize roots coming out of the bottoms of your feet and the base of your spine. Earthy roots beginning to grow down, go down through the layers of the earth, connect in somewhere at the center of earth, and just begin to send any discordant energy down those roots. And grounding stabilizes your energy and connects you to earth. So once that feels complete, then say aloud or in your mind, I'm releasing all energy that is not mine, and I call back all of my power. This intention is actually directing energy. This step ensures that you're not only you're clearing only what doesn't serve you, that you're keeping energy there that is helping you. The next part is now, once you've cleared out, it's time to fill in. So remember, whenever you take something away, you want to add something back. So now imagine a glowing golden light coming in through the top of your head, and imagine that golden light flowing down into your head, through your crown, filling your body with this beautiful, vibrant golden light. And feel that pushing out any dark or heavy energy down through your feet. Feel it cleaning off the sides, kind of like the wall of a glass of milk. It leaves that residue. It's cleaning all of that off energetically as it flows. And if you're clearing for a client, you can visualize that light flowing through them just as well. Or you can teach them how to do it, which I'm going to talk about at the end. And yeah, just really make it real. Immerse yourself in that golden light moving through your body, pushing out any dark energy. The last part is sealing the aura. So once that light has cleared your body, imagine it wrapping around you like a cocoon around your auric egg. So your entire energy field is wrapped in this beautiful golden light, this unconditional love. And you can say things to yourself like subconscious suggestions. I'm sealed in this divine light. I am divinely protected. Only positive energy comes in, negative energy doesn't. This protects your energy field and protects you from reabsorption of those energies that aren't helping. The last part is just gratitude and integration, taking three really big, deep belly breaths in and out, and then saying, "Thank you for this reset. I am clear, I am aligned, I am empowered." Anything that really resonates with you, you can put in there because gratitude locks in the shift and makes it real, brings you into your feeling nature vibration, and it raises your baseline. The more you do this, the higher your vibrational baseline is going to be. So, to use this with clients, what you would want to do is guide them through this exact process that I just showed you during a session. So you can, once you get into the nitty gritty of what's going on in their life, this is a good way to clear that energy and bring the right things in for them. You can also teach them how to do this as homework. And you can suggest that this is something that they do every single day on their own to give them that added support and also to get them in the habit of showing up for themselves. You can also even record that yourself leading that reset, and then you can give that to your clients as something that is really going to support them in between sessions. So I hope that was really helpful for you. It's really simple, it's really easy, but it's powerful. And play with it, practice it. And if you're ready to master energy healing and hypnotherapy and really grow your practice, I have a 6-month certification program called QSM, and then I have a freedom marketing course for spiritual entrepreneurs. So if you're feeling called to that, comment reset down below and we'll be in touch. And yeah, let's chat. Let's get you going on this. And I hope that you like, comment, or subscribe to the video. If this was something you liked, feel free to do that and have a great day. Talk soon.